Hold on. You're not going anywhere. Hold on. You're not done.
That's not right.
Court Uncut. What the people want.
Sorry we made you wait so long. I hear that you were a little disappointed in the back. I feel like you've given me no choice but to make sure that your child and children are safe and that the community's safe. I'm going to sentence you to a term of 10 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections.
Why would you separate me from my kids?
You separated yourself from your kid.
This is my first time being in prison.
Let me tell you,
I've been in jail 4 months.
I got 10 more years I can add.
Good morning.
Good morning. Give me just a second to get these printed out. Are you Tracy Butcher?
Yeah. I have a bit. I want to read it.
Hold on just a second. We're going to go through this motion first, and then we'll figure out what to do from there, okay? Before we get started, I need you, the best you can, to raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Thanks. It's okay. Mine's taking a long time too. It looks like there's a first amended maybe in both also. Or at least in.
I think both of them first.
Okay. And will Ms. Butcher waive the formal reading of the motion in each case?
She will.
Okay. So Ms. Butcher, in cause number 24 DCCR 1732, I have a first amended motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation January 28th of 2025 for the offense of burglary of a habitation, a second degree felony, and that was a 10-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
Yes.
And then in cause number 24 DCCR 1733, I also have a first amended motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation January 28th of 2025 for unauthorized use of a motor vehicle, a state jail felony, and that was a 5-year deferred probation as well. Is that correct?
Yes.
Each of these motions allege that you violated your probation. Count 1 in each motion alleges that you failed to report as directed to the probation department March 7th, March 10th, and March 12th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
It's true, ma'am.
Count 2 in each case alleges that you failed to immediately report to the probation officer your change of address. And is that true or not true?
I don't think you have to better.
Okay, so not true. Count 3 in each case alleges that you failed to conduct yourself in a courteous and professional manner at all times when interacting with court officers and staff, probation officers, law enforcement officers, and attorneys. Is that true or not true?
No, ma'am.
Count 4 alleges that you were arrested for the offense of aggravated assault against a public servant April 29th of 2025 in Harris County, Texas. And is that true or not true?
Yes, ma'am.
True or not true?
True.
Thank you. Count 5 in each case alleges that you were arrested for the offense of duty on, that can't be right.
I think it's a misdemeanor version of accident causing injury. So I don't know how it ought to be.
Duty?
It's
Duty seems like the wrong word,
it
but
probably is. Your Honor. It's
something about
professional.
striking an unattended vehicle on April 29th of 2025. Were you arrested for that also?
Yes,
So that's true.
yes, it's true.
And count 6 in each of those cases also alleges that you were arrested for the offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle April 29th of 2025 in Harris County, Texas. Is that true or not true?
True.
Count 7 in each case alleges that you failed to remain in Jefferson County as ordered and that you were in Harris County, Texas, April 29th of 2025 without permission. Is that true or not true?
That's true.
Did you enter your pleas of true in each case to counts 1, 4, 5, 6, and 7 freely and voluntarily? And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true? All right, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in each case freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation. However, I'm going to reset your case so that the probation department can do an updated pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you, your cases, and what is going on in Harris County. And then we will come back later for a sentencing hearing. Obviously, the state can bring any witnesses with regard to 2 and 3 if you'd like, Mr. Nichols, at that time. Okay. So,
I have a question.
yes, ma'am.
There's no way you can waive the PSI. Everything is still the same. Ain't nothing changed. And I was sentenced in Harris County to 5 years deferred probation, and they want me to go to rehab. I have a hold right now because I have to go to Santa Maria for 6 to 18 months. And I want to know, can you please waive the rehab and allow me to be transferred to Harris County so I can start rehab before my baby gets here?
So here's what I can do. I have to get that info. Not that I don't believe you, but I need to get that information. When are you due?
November, the end of November.
Okay. So, can we get an expedited update? Maybe a couple of weeks. Is that possible? Okay. So I'm going to reset the case for 2 weeks, and that way probation can get with Harris County. We can figure out what exactly went on in those cases, and then I'll determine what to do, because I'm not telling you right now that I'm going to go along with all of that. I mean, you're on 2 felony probations, and it sounds like you've already pled guilty to several other serious ones. Hang on. I don't want you to assume what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the information. I'm going to see what they did, whatever rehab and all of that. And then I will decide on that day if I'm going to go along with that. Okay. All right. So we'll see you back in 2 weeks. Yes, ma'am.
And Judge, it's a transportation code section that's titled duty
It's so weird.
on structure, fixture, duty on striking unattended vehicles.
Duty on.
That's just how they title this section.
Duty.
So it's really a failure of that duty is the crime, I guess.
Right. It's just a weird word to use. Maybe there's a definition of duty that I don't know. You said duty? I said duty. You keep saying duty. Sorry. How many times can you say duty? Mr. Rojas, you have Gerodrick Randall. I thought we needed to say that. This is very.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.